that was tomorrow, and that was also today. And what the teleprompter's wrong? Yeah. Okay. There's no words on there. Cut out to. What does that mean? In the show? Okay, come on, let's just do it again.
Okay, 5, 4, 3.
That's tomorrow, and that was today. And I can't do it. I can't do it.
Okay.
We'll do it live. You know what? Brocket, we'll do it live. Stupid Brocking thing. Okay, I'll write it and we'll do it live.
5, 4, 3.
That's tomorrow, and that was today. My name is Jeremy O'Brocky, and now we're gonna cut out with a song by Sting. Have a good Brocking day. Brr! Brr! Sick of this stupid Brocking.
Okay, Jeremy, that's it. You're fired. Look, Jeremy, you can't flip off me.
Yes, I will. Yes, I will.
No, you cannot. You gotta stop it. Hey, Jeremy, you can't take that camera. It's expensive.
Yes, I will.
It goes like $1 million.
Yes, I will. I'll pay you.
Please, please, please. Jeremy O'Brocky, you are under arrest.
Can't touch me.
Yes, I can.
Alright, that's it. We're turning it off.